all his arms off, he won't be scary. Look, an armless monster. Is he not scary? No. It's a nice monster. And look, all these little monsters can go inside. Look, you stick them on. Oh, this is a funny monster.
Yeah.
Come see it, Jack. It's a funny monster.
No, I said nice one. Don't worry. Do you see it?
It won't scare you. Come here. Hey, come inside.
Maybe Jack.
It's a nice monster. Simon, do you like the monster?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
No.
No? Okay. Then here, show Jack that he can be nice.
Jack, I show you something. I'm not gonna get your eyes. He's not gonna get you. I'm not gonna get you. I'm not gonna get you. Don't worry.
Jack? He's okay?
Oh, let's see this monster. I'm gonna put him on.
Jack, you see? He's a nice monster.
Hey, what's your name? Simon, do you want a kiss on the cheek?
No, thank you.
Jack, is it a funny monster?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to go give him a kiss?
No, scary.
He wants to give you a kiss. Mwah! Jack, I want to kiss you.
Hey, you
Jack,
look like
what's wrong?
Look, he has an eye in the back of his head.
Jack, are you scared?
I don't know.
What's wrong? Jack, what's wrong? It's okay.
And I'm going to put all of his parts in here.
Look, Daddy's putting it in the cage. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at you, scary.
He won't scare you. He's in a cage.
There
Okay.
we go.
Now are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, monster, you can get you.
That's good. So these are